Here we still have featured the Eco 90. This is going to be in the stainless, in the colored side panels. So I also showed you guys the ceramic tile. That's the new finish. These are going to be the classic panels. So these are available in a variety of colors. This color featured here is going to be the new blue color. So previously it was a darker blue. This is kind of like a light powder baby blue. Your stove is going to be customizable with the doors. Here we have the black doors. So generally when we stock these models, we would stock them in the stainless steel doors, but you can also order it in black as shown here. Again, the model does have a nice deep pan drawer that pulls out. You're gonna have two damper controls, your primary damper control for your firebox, and then your oven damper control located here.